these just got out of the booth. They look great.
Yeah, they turned out perfect.
And then he was explaining that, I don't know, it shows up a little bit on camera. There's some
dust nibs.
Yeah, it's some dust nibs that have to be
color sanded and polished.
Yeah.
And I had a lot of problem with fisheye on one door. I don't know why, but anyhow, it took up the most part of a day to get that remedied, but we did. And they turned out fine. And I panel painted this car for some reason. I don't know why, but this particular car, I've had fisheye problems with this thing right from day one, and that's why I'm panel painting it rather than doing the car in its entirety, is because then instead of having one big mess at the end of the day that has to be done over, I'd rather take my time and make sure each panel is correct, and if I have any problems with it, then I've got just a panel to worry about and not the whole car to worry about, because it's easier to sand one roof than it is a whole car. Everything has been dealt with, and boy, it sure looks good. I'm really pleased with the way it's turning out. But if anybody was wondering why this car wasn't done in its entirety, that's the reason why. It's a high-end car and it needs to be right, so that's why.
Yeah, essentially what we did is, he painted the roof. We just got done with that. And then the doors, and he painted the fenders and the hood a long time ago, didn't you?
And the deck lid, yeah.
And the deck lid, yeah. Yeah, but really all that's left is just the body.
Yeah, we'll get the body done, and then we'll be finding our kicks on Route 66.
Yeah. Yeah, it won't be long now.